review on the Barbie Sisters Baking Fun set with Stacie. This has started. First, we have the Stacie doll. She looks a little different from the other Stacie doll you have. Her hair is really soft, and she has a little shirt with some reindeers and snowflakes, and a little apron attached to it. She has some dark blue pants and some pink boots. Looks like it has some little fur. She has a chair. And also, here's the box. It says holiday cookies, pies, and cake are delicious treats we love to bake. Pour the ingredients into a bowl. Mix them together, that's the goal. Roll out the dough and pop in the oven. Holiday sweets are just what we're loving. It's help Barbie doll find her gift in a maze. Can do that. And it's a Target exclusive. Looks like there's a little Christmas tree in the background. Oh, that's cute. Stacie doll is really cool, by the way. There is a mitt. It is squishy. It says Barbie. And Stacie can wear it, which is really cool. Have a little plate. Not a plate, but a bowl. This is Barbie. And I have a little green rolling pin Stacie can hold like this. We also have some Christmas cookies that you could have. The red ones have little snowflakes and the white ones have little Christmas trees. You have a pie, a measuring cup which is light pink, and a statue is light pink. It says Barbie. Yeah. You can also hang up these there. Here's the loaf. There's a little green and two white ones. And this oven can open, but I don't want anything to fall, so can this too. Yeah, on the box it has stockings, ribbons, and gloves. Also has some Mario with some snowflakes, and little balls, and some little Christmas trees. This box is falling. As you may notice, I am not in my regular house. I am at my grandpa's house, by the way, if you're wondering. And I got this for Christmas too. And oh yeah, last thing is, there's all these. And this can fold out and fold back. It has a little Barbie logo here and here. This is Barbie. This is Barbie up here. And this can attach like this. And then you can put anything back on.